LwCad 4.51. This update is primarily stability update. It also solves some problems with speed of objects with a lot of UV maps, and it has a couple of tweaks on existing tools which I will show you in this video. In a window tool we have two little updates. First, corner mode option. This option is removed from numeric panel, and instead of this we have automatic buttons directly in the viewport. So when we reach the edge of the tool into edge of the wall here on the corner, we can see here automatically placed the corner button, and we can enable disable corner mode for this edge. So this is much more convenient way. So we can create windows with corners and enable disable for each corner individually. So let's say for this I will reach end of this wall here, and for example here I don't need this corner mode, so I will disable it. Much more convenient way how to create corner windows. Second update in window tool is adjustment of window object on the corner. As you can see here in first layer, here it looks how it is adjusted with current version, and in the second layer we have object created with previous version. So before, now. This might look insignificant change, but it has a huge impact on how you can create several different objects, frames, parapets or complex windows on the corners of the walls. Window shape library in current version is updated with couple new aluminum windows and frames and parapet. So we can try these new presets and test new corner adjustment system. Using aluminum parapet, we can see that if I create parapet from one side and second side, there is no problem between them. Both parapets fits each to other. So this works perfectly. Also when I use this C frame, also frames will fit perfectly. And now I will use L frame for door. We can also enable layer system, put into second layer some window, and it will work together with windows. And as you can see, all objects fits over the corner, wall corner perfectly. So there is no need to do after edit. You just use enable corner, and window frame or parapet is automatically adjusted on this corner. And the last little update is in Shingles tool. It is a new fixed overlay y-axis parameter. By default, when we place shingles on the roof, the distance between rows of shingles from up to down is defined by overlay y-axis parameter here, 100 millimeters, and this value is rounded to best fit. So on the bottom and top row of the shingles are intact, there is no cut, and the value is rounded to best fit to place the rest of the rows of shingles. And this is calculated for each individual polygon. So this distance from up to down can be different for each polygon. So as you can see, lines of the shingles on the neighbor polygons doesn't fit, but we don't have cuts on the top line of the shingles. When we define fixed overlay y-axis parameter, then this distance is not rounded, it is always same as is defined in numeric panel, and lines on neighbor polygons fits exactly, but side effect of this is that top line of the shingles are sometimes cut. So this parameter defines two possibilities of putting shingles on the roof.